Today we're gonna make a really yummy and refreshing drink. It's going to take some either cold brew or iced coffee, whatever your preference is. I did an iced coffee for this one because I had some leftover coffee that I allowed to cool. And then we're also gonna use some of those flavored ice cubes, those coffee ice cubes that we made in a previous video. This is just LifeBoost coffee with some sweetener and vanilla. And then we're gonna dump those into our iced coffee here, which is gonna give that a little bit more flavor. And then the fun part is we're gonna add in some cream soda. So you do equal parts of the cold brew or iced coffee, whatever your choice is, with equal parts of the cream soda. And this is just a nice, fun, refreshing drink that you can enjoy outside as those temperatures are rising. And it is delicious. There you have it. As always, if you try this, please let us know what you think. Thank you and have a great day.